Good morning, children. Yesterday we were discussing about tanks and groundwater, about water. Preserving water in tanks and automatically the water is saving. How? It's a part 2. Now, rainwater slowly they goes down into the soil. Rainwater we use for domestic purpose, that available water only 1% only. Most of the percentage of the water they are run off to the sea, ocean, like that. Before going to the sea, that soil absorb the rainwater, that only groundwater we call it. So rainwater slowly goes down into the soil. Now that is that word percolation. Percolation means filter. Now soils filtering the water, and that water goes inside. That water accumulates in the gap between the rocks. Inside the earth, rocks will be there. So between the rocks, gaps, that water will accumulate. We get that water through the well and tube wells. Open wells we used to have. Now, that what is the difference between open well and tube well? Open well occupy more place. Then the tube well. Tube we are inserting and into the ground, and upper part we have that motor. With that water comes up. That only called tube well. Now rocks, it has cracks, and we say the holes pore, P-O-R-E, pore we say, P-O-R-E, pore. So cracks have pores are that will be filled with the water. They have contain water. That is called pervious rocks we call. The rocks which has pores and cracks in the gap between that water filled up. So that is called pervious rocks. Above the rocks, that water storage will be there. That is called impervious rocks. Above the water, that is not the cracks, pores and all will be there. Above the rocks, that water will be there, groundwater. That is impervious rocks. Now, the layer of the water under the ground, it has layer. What is the layer of the water under the ground? That is called aquifer. Aquifer. Aqui means only water. Aquifer we call it. Now, we can see the picture how the water will be there under the earth. In our textbook, 3.3 and 3.4 pictures are there. If we observe that, how that water level, now rocks are there means above the rocks it will be there. Now pores are there means rocks means like this, that water will be saved. Now Telangana, if we take our state, granite stones are available more. Mostly impervious rocks only. That is, holes won't be there, so that water won't go inside. So impervious rocks are there. In Telangana more. But we are using the more groundwater in Telangana, because rivers are not much helping in Telangana than Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, major part of the rivers, they are helping for the agriculture. And now water, underground water is there. The rainwater is going directly into the soil, that is okay. How can we recharge the groundwater? What is meant by recharge? How we can allow that water to accumulate under the ground? So recharging groundwater. For that, what can we do? We can plant more number of trees. So the trees help for the percolation, and roots and grass we can plant on the hill slope and all. And we should not do deforestation. We should not cut the trees. So afforestation and grass growing will help the recharging the groundwater. Apart from that, artificially what can we do? Rainwater harvest. Now wherever the building we have, there that concrete will be there, so that water won't go inside. So we can make a pit, we can construct a water pit. To the rainwater we can save it. Through that it goes into the soil. that is called a rainwater harvest. Quality of the groundwater. How the groundwater quality? If we search for a house to live, we search how that water taste is there. Bore water, we taste it. So sometimes some places rocks will be good, and minerals what are dissolving there, sodium and fluoride, chloride, iron, nitrate, all these minerals are there. So where that water is stored there, that water gets the same taste. So we have to purify the water, we have to filter the water. Excessive fluoride, more it is there, more fluoride is there means in drinking water, it will affect our human body also. You can see one girl, how it is, she is affected, her legs, hands and all, it will be in the folding shape. She cannot make it straight, erect. Like that, that fluoride, excess fluoride will affect the drinking water. So we have to recharge the groundwater. We should not waste the water, and our duty is constructing the rainwater harvest pit. So this in that way we can recharge the groundwater, and it is our duty to leave that earth for the future generation. Okay, thank you.